What's up? Papa up in the house. Yeah, man. So you guys seen the title and everything. You know what's getting ready to happen. But I want you guys to do me a favor before we get started. Hit that like button right now. Go ahead and hit it. Now, if you ain't subscribed and you know who you are, hit that subscription button. Go ahead. It ain't gonna hurt. It ain't gonna cost you a thing. Go ahead. All right, so for the people on my Instagram, y'all already know that I brought a LC2i for this Hellcat that I got. And that's right, we got us a Hellcat, and I'm finna take y'all out here and show it to you. Yeah. The dealer said it was a Hellcat. I don't know why it's got that on there. But this a Hellcat. Check it out. Yeah. (2013). I don't know what that RT means. I guess that means racing or something. I don't know. But it's a Hellcat though, so I don't know why that's on there. Alright, so we finna get this thing started up for you guys so y'all can take a listen to it. Here's the inside. It's supposed to be a Panther on that thing. I don't know why this thing not working. Interior clean. Big screen on there. Start it up for you guys. Turn that off. Ooh, copyright. What y'all think? Seats real good. This car was well maintained. Very nice. For some reason they didn't give me the red key. I was hoping I'd get the red key. I don't know why I didn't get it. Yeah, man, so make sure y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think about the Hellcat. The dealer said it was a Hellcat, so I took his word for it and bought it. It was cheap too. I'm getting ready to go get the pipes done. Here's a picture of what I'm getting done. Yeah, the Flowmaster Super 10s is gonna be a mid muffler delete with those added in, and then the rear resonator delete. Should sound really good. Make sure you stay tuned for that. In the next segment, I'll holler back at you. All right, guys, so we here at the muffler shop that I normally go to whenever I'm getting muffler work done. And I'm gonna get a start up for you guys. Just let y'all hear how this thing sounds right now. So let's do it. So you hear it right now, nice and quiet. That's what we intend to change. That's the intention, to to change that nice quiet sound right there, that purr. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we on the way back to the muffler shop to get the Hellcat. Got my son taking me and everything. So we're gonna see how that thing sound with those Super 10s on it. They done with it. So did a good job. So we gonna see. They usually do. And look at this idiot right here. Just pulled right out in front of us. Just idiots. Yeah. All right, guys, we here on the ground and everything. Finna show y'all this beautiful work. Still all the way there. Super 10s right there. All right, so we're getting ready to go in and get this thing paid, and then we'll give y'all a listen. All right, guys, we're gonna get that start up for you. Nice. Yeah, baby. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, we in there. We in there. Sounds real good. That's what a Hemi's supposed to sound like. Whoa. Okay. Let's get that red. Yeah, let's get it on down the road. Yeah, man, so we sounding good up in here now. See what it sound like on the inside? Can't even hear nothing. Yeah, and these things will break in a lot more, so we'll get a little bit more tone after probably about, I don't know, 150, 200 miles on it. And then these pipes will break in even more. So we still got some more tone left on it. So we about to ride it and see what it sounds like. These Super 10s is awesome. So let's get down. There's more, look at that. More Mopars. Except for that GM in the back. They know what I'm over here for. All right. Woo! Super aggressive. We love it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.